Hello guys, the last time I made a video on how you can um, build your first website, okay, and now this is part 2 of that video tutorial. Now in this video we are going to be completing the pages, and then we're going to be adding live chat and floating WhatsApp. Okay, so there's going to be a WhatsApp button floating on the side that when your page visitors click on it, it will redirect them to your WhatsApp DM. While the live chat, it will enable your page visitors to chat you directly while on the page. While they are still on the page, they're able to chat you while you reply from your mobile or from your personal computer. Okay, so these are all what we're going to be doing in this video. Fasten your seatbelt, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more updates from us. Okay, let's dive into the system. Okay guys, so we quickly just want to complete the remaining pages. Okay, now before we go to the next page, see here there is no action here. See, so we're going to see add. Maybe we want it to flow down to just this page. So remember, we go to we'll go look for anchor. Okay, we'll draw the anchor to where we want it to be. Now I can just call it len. Okay, so we call it len. Then we just come here. We come here and put it. So this we just allow it. So when you say len more, it flows down. Okay, so that is about that. Okay. Alright, so you can go ahead and do anything you like to do. Okay, you can go ahead and edit anything, change the email to the company email, phone number, change all that, even the map, set it to the company's location. Then here, social media also, you can put the link. Once you tap on it, you see where to put the link to the social media handles. Okay, you can put the Twitter link here, you can put the Facebook link here and many of them. Okay, you can add more. So if you want to duplicate it, tap here. Okay, if you have up to 2 handles, see, can also add. Okay, see, add item. Okay, you can add item, click on library, then select the particular. Maybe you want to add WhatsApp, as well. Okay, so these are to add your social media handles. Okay, and now that put the link to your handle. Okay, so now what I wanted to do is this header here. We're not using default header, so we want to save it. So we can use this section here, this header section, so that we can want to save it in a way that we can use it for the rest of the pages. Okay, so what we'll just do, we'll come to this place. Okay, the section that we are. So we'll come to the header, the section, this whole section here. Okay, this section. So make sure you're showing this section. This is menu. Okay, this is a button. Okay, and this is our logo, the image we used. So make sure it's showing. You come down. Make sure it's not selecting. It's not highlighting any of these 3. Okay, then you see it. So we're not editing section. We are saving it. Okay, so we save. You can call it header. Okay. Call it header, or let's say main header. Let's call it main header like this. Okay, then we save. Okay, see that we have it here, main header saved. Okay, then we go to the next page I want to edit. So what we'll now do is we close this particular page. Like I said, you can always edit, add anything, remove what you don't want, all that. So you close this, go to view page. So when you come to the page, you go to the page you want to open. So I don't want to open it right here, so I want to open it in a new tab. Okay, so it's opening here. Okay, I have it here, but let's just do. Okay, so this is the about page. Okay, so we edit with Elementor. Okay, now it's opened. Now you can see that it's also, this page is also empty. Okay, so there's a way we would have set a general, a global section. Okay, there's a way we will set a global section, but I don't want us to. In the next video I'll show you how we can do global section, but you just follow this the way we've started it. Okay, so global section is that once you set the header, you don't, any page you open, you don't need to start inserting the header first. I'm saying that this page is empty, but let's quickly add it up. So remember, we have already set the our main. Okay, there's something we didn't do. The footer we edited, we didn't save it here. Okay, we can actually go here and save it. So let's click. So while you see it loading, we'll go back to, you see that we have our header here already. Okay, so while here, this one is loading, so we add, so this is our about page, right? So we add the about. Okay, so this is just, you see, simply dragging, dropping, inserting. You don't need to write code, you don't need to waste time. Okay, so this is about. Okay, can you see it here? So we insert. Okay, we insert. So we'll come here, you can see loading. Okay, now this is installed. I see that this is installed for the about us. Okay, so you see that basically what we need to start adding here is, you see that this section is repeated in this place, and also is in the home page. Now what we need to do basically here is add images and change this Latin or something to the real information that will be given by the client. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so we just add images, but then let's save up the footer as well, so we can import it down there. So we'll go to this. Okay, remember I said you don't need to click, so what we need is section. Okay, we'll save the section as well. Save this one as main, we save it as our main footer. Okay, so we save. So once it's saved, we're able to get it and add it up from here. Okay, so you see main footer, we insert apply. You can see that our footer with the image, the gallery, we said, see that it's all here. Now you see that we have this now. Okay, see that we have this. So we can now add an image here. Remember, just tap on it, then select the image you want to use. Okay, you can select any image you like to use. Okay, and insert. You can see we have an image here. Okay, and all these ones. can also take images. Okay, you can take images. Now these are supposed to be human faces. Okay, so they will give you, say this event organizer. So in the company they have the event organizer. They give you the name and description of the office, workspace manager, director. This place we just have the image of the have the image of the staff. Okay, so we're not supposed to use a building or whatsoever. What we're supposed to use here is a picture of a human being. Okay, so it's going to appear like this. That's going to appear. Okay, so this is, remember, this is just to show you how you can build. So if we follow this procedure, you'll be able to, can you see? So this will be the face of the director with his name, the face of the workspace manager, and the event manager here. Okay, so I just want to put in let's just use the images we have here. But remember, you should have all these images before you even start building the site. Okay, so we have this. Okay, so go to the testimonial. Now I told you there are different ways you can always access. Sometimes you can't get this image directly. Okay, so what you do is that you go to you come to responsive mode. Okay, select mobile. Okay, so once you select a mobile, you'll be able to see the image directly here. Okay, then once you see the image here. Now if you click, you can't find the image, you can go to where you're going to have overlay. Okay, now this one is here in style. So you can find it either overlay, style, or background. Okay, this one is background. This one is here as a background, while some you find them as background overlay like this. Okay, sometimes you find them around here. Okay, so just you don't have to be stranded. You will always find the image where it is. Some of them, maybe the image from this place. Okay, the image as a section or subsection is used. So when you click on it directly, it will show you where to change it. But if it's not used like that, maybe it's a background or it's a background overlay, so you have to go to edit here. Then if it's a background, then you have to come to style to look for the background. Okay, if it's a background overlay, if you don't find it here, come to background overlay and the background overlay, and you find it here. So this one is a background. Okay, so it's background. This means that you can still find it here. Okay, as the background. Okay, as the background, so we can pick an image from what we have. Okay, and pick any image. Let's see how this will go. Okay, see, we have this right now. Okay, you see that. So if you want to add more sections, you can go ahead and this out. You just come to this plus. Okay, if you want to put a template that you saved, you want to get from starter template, or you want to design by yourself, this is where you can do all these things. Okay, but we just want to work strictly with the template, so we're not adding anything. Okay, so we're not adding anything. Now see this, you can always edit anything you want to edit. You want to put animation, you can always put animation. Remember I told you for animation you come to advanced and look for motion effects. So under motion effect, you can choose the entrance animation that you like. Okay, So you can choose whatever you like. Okay, you can choose whatever you like. There are lots of them here. And you can also choose the direction, the duration, if you want it to be fast, slow, or normal. So keep it normal. Okay. So there are a lot of things you can do. You can give the image a background, give it a border. So here, we can still look at how it looks in the mobile. Okay. This is not looking. It's too close to the close. So we can come here and add to the margin top. Okay, to bring it a little. Okay, then here need to go up. Then we'll come here. Okay, let's say minus 70. Okay, minus 100. Let's say minus 100. Okay, we can go this way. So tablet mode is like this, so we'll see work on it. Come down a bit. Okay. Okay. This is the desktop. Okay, so you see we already have the design. This fast. We already, so you update your job and go to the next page. Okay, so you can same way view page. So you see how it looks. Okay, you can see this is the. See this. Okay, see what we have. See what we have. Okay, see what we have here. Okay, so you can see, go to the next page, blog page, the features. So it's still the same way, you just bring them up here, but I think you can follow this process to finish up your work. Now the next thing I wanted to add is a live chat. I want to add a live chat and a floating WhatsApp. Okay, so what we'll do is I will go to dashboard. Okay, go to dashboard. Okay, so we'll go to plugins and go click on add new. Okay, so we are here. So what you just do is that you, for live chat, just type live chat. There are many of them out there. There are many of them. So there are many of them. Okay. Okay. See all of this. They're all live chat that you can integrate. Okay. You have the Tidio, but I like Tidio. There's another one I can still. They are all good anyway. The Masop, you can use any one of them. You can use any one of them. Okay, you can use any one of them. You can use any one of them you prefer. Okay, so let's see this. I'm not picking this as the best anyway, but I just want to use it. Okay, but you can use Studio, So once you choose the live chat you want to use, the plugin you want to use, you install and activate. Okay, so if you look at this, see that it has been installed. Okay, so you just sign up. All of them, anyone you choose, you definitely need to sign up. So we might be having a little challenge with the fact that this is a local host, not a live chat, not live host. But let's still see what is gonna happen. If it's gonna reflect in our website. Okay, so like you can see, we already have our live chat right here. Okay, so your site visitors can come here and chat you up. Okay, so what you just do is that you download you're going to get the mobile version of this and install in your phone, okay, in your smartphone. So whenever someone comes here to chat, okay, you're going to get it to the same way you get notification in your WhatsApp. Okay, so that is how you see that we already have a live chat here. Okay, this is how it will be floating around here, and see how nice and interactive it is. So this is how we make our site interactive, and this shows in all the pages. Okay, I think this where this is the home page. I think we're in the home page. Now let's go to about page and see if the live chat is gonna show. Okay, you can see it right here. Okay, you can see that all the pages is showing here. Look at it. Okay, right here, and you can always edit it. You can go to the dashboard and change the color, the icon you want to see, and you can always do that. Okay, see that we have live chat. Another thing we are going to add, you can always come here to edit the look. Okay, look at the settings, where you come to the settings and change anything you want to change. Okay, so you can always come here. So if you're using a live server, like you bought a host and domain, you can use Studio. Yeah, you can use Studio. So it will be easier for you to download it in your mobile phone, and also editing. You have more functions to edit. Okay, I just use the one provided by Elementor. I just chose it because I'm using local host. I'm using XAMPP. Okay, so I don't want to have challenges here. Okay, so the next thing we want to add is WhatsApp. Okay, so the same way you go to plugins, add new. Okay, so the same way you also type for WhatsApp. Okay, search for WhatsApp. Okay, so it brings out options. So there are many of them here, many options you can use. I want us to use this. I want us to use this one. Click to chat. So let's make your WhatsApp web. Let's make your web page visitors contact you through WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. Okay, so whichever one you choose, you install and activate. Now we activate. So you can just click on it to make your settings. Okay, so this is where you put your number. Okay, choose your country right here. Okay, so the country, whatever country your client is, so you can always put it there. Okay, then the message you want, look at it, pre-filled message. Okay, so you can make changes, anything you like, and do all of that. Okay, whether you want it to be visible on desktop or not. If you don't want it to show on desktop, you hide it. You don't want it to show on mobile, you hide it. I don't see why you don't want it to show on. If you don't want to show on desktop, it's a bit understandable. But mobile, no, it has to be on. But I'm leaving both on because we need to see if it's working. Okay, so the other settings you can still make. You can hide it, you can make it seen. You can always try it out to see what is there for you, so you save. So we refresh to see how far. Okay, now you see that WhatsApp is showing here and LiveChat are both, so you have to move one of them. So go back to the settings and okay, so let's move the WhatsApp. See here we have right. Okay, so we have to change it to the left. Okay, so we'll change it to the left. Okay, and we save. So guys, you can see that we now have our live chat here. Okay, and we have our WhatsApp right here. Okay, it will be the mobile to direct it to open WhatsApp. Okay, see, showing the mobile number, assuming there is WhatsApp installed, or assuming WhatsApp is okay. I say, so assuming my WhatsApp is activated, it will lead to just open for a chat. So if you're using a mobile, it will take you directly to chat, just like every other WhatsApp link that you see online. So you see, when you hover on it, you should chat with us. Remember when we did the settings? So this is how you can put your live chat, make it, we can chat with you directly, you know, we can do all of that with you. Okay, so you can see that my WhatsApp is trying to come up so that it will open. You can see, so this is why I said I don't see any need why you should not allow it to work in desktop, because some people use WhatsApp in their computer. Okay, so but I don't want this to disturb. Okay, so that is that. So you can go ahead to edit the rest of the pages, put whatever you like, add and remove what you don't want, add what you want, remove what you don't want, and that's all. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe to our channel, because many more updates will be coming, both everything on web development, including PHP. WordPress is built on PHP. Okay, so it's an advantage for you to also know coding actually, but you can do whatever you want to do without the knowledge of code, without writing code. Okay, but on this channel we'll also be posting PHP tutorials so that you can have more advantage using WordPress. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next video.